In this video, I'll show you how to block a Telegram group. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. When it comes to blocking a Telegram group, I think there are three options you can do, right? The very first one is you can leave the channel or you can leave the group, right? So I'm making this instance for, let's say I'm using a Telegram channel, for example, right? So you can either leave the channel, you can archive the channel, or you can mute the channel, right? So let me say for my group, let me say I created a group, right? I think I created a group previously, so I'm going to check. Okay, yeah, so this group now, if you come on here now, this is my own group. You can delete the group, right? So when it comes to if you are in any group, I think there are three ways you can basically block the group, right? You can either leave the group entirely, you can mute the group, or you can archive the group. I think these probably the three ways you can do this, right? If you have any thoughts below, share thoughts in the comment section. I'm gonna be with you guys in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.